We need to burn the feathers off the chicken. This is not a safe way to do it, so make sure you have your parents to help you. And yep, hold on. As I'm finished burning my feathers off the wings, it should look like this. Make sure no feathers, look nice. No feathers. Make sure it look nice and clean. And then now you rinse them. And then wait and flip them around like that. Make sure, no, Rana, what are you doing? This is with sharing life with siblings, but yep. Make sure it's nice and clean. Now you have to drain the water, so pour it out. Hold your chicken. That's the safe way and the best way to do it is to hold your chicken. And now you have to season them. So my mom knows how to do this a lot, but I'm using a measuring cup. And yep, I'm gonna do that now. You wipe your hands off, get a napkin. Make sure you clean off your hands. So yeah, that's what I did. So yeah. So I'm gonna season them 2 cups. Yes, this is good. I use this all the time. Makes my chicken come out good, nice and crispy. We're making fried chicken. So, keep going, keep going, keep going. If you hear my parents in the background, they're just talking right now. Like that. That's enough. A cup, half a cup anyway. Not even. That's it. Stuff around. That. That's how your chicken should look. And also, we use this other seasoning. I know my hands is dirty, but we use this other seasoning. And we're going to put it on our chicken. This is like a family dish that my mom loves to make and me. And now she passed this recipe down to me, and I'm passing it to you. So, yep. Now, we need some flour. What's up, Dad?
What's up, baby? Just make sure after you do your exclusive taping, you wash the dishes.
That's my dad. You know how he is. Mostly major about cleaning. So, yep. Hold on. Let's put this right here. First, clean off your hands. Put the chicken right back. Try not to get, when you put the flour, don't try to get it wet because it's going to taste all soggy. So, I like to do this in the sink mostly. That's enough, right, Mom? Okay. I didn't use the measuring cup because it's all dirty and I'm going to have to wash it out and that's going to take a lot of time. So, I'll say like a cup. Not even. Half a cup. And, yep. When I used to think I used to watch YouTube teach me how to make some of the stuff. And I used to say a cup. I used to think a real cup, but my mom said a measuring cup. And I used to watch cooking videos when I was 4. And that's how I learned how to cook. Make sure you have your deep fryer nice and hot so oil should be popping. That's what we're doing now. That's where mixing it up. And see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so get your chicken. Right, so, and, put it right, see your chicken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, my mom loves to gossip, so if you hear him, don't mind him. And yep. Say bye, chicken. See you later. So I normally do, put some flour, mix it around. Then when you get flour on that, just rinse it, get a napkin, and then wipe it off, clean it. And sometimes, see this again? Remember that? Add a little bit inside of grease so it'll be nice and spicy. Yep. See y'all. So, as you see, hold something. We have to get a fork or a knife. Well, I'm using a fork because I know kids watch my videos. Pull this up like this. Stick your chicken. Stick your chicken. Make sure it's cooking. There's no blood is coming out. It's good. Stick all of them. I could have added more chicken. Oh, this is enough, right? This is enough, right? And mix it around. Pushing in different spots. Yep. See, it's almost done. Give it like 10 minutes. Not even. 5 minutes. See y'all. So, as you see in my pan right here, I'm gonna get my chicken before it's too crispy. I like my chicken crispy, and you don't want it to burn. You don't want your chicken to burn, and it can get really crispy. You're not gonna like it. Like that. Woo! And then put it here inside your pan. So dump it all around, right? And then look like that, right? Then put your chicken right where it's somewhere you can hold it. Then get some more chicken, put it in there. I put it, sometimes the flour doesn't get on the chicken. That. Last one. Whoop! Don't forget. Make it nice and smoky. That's fine. Before it goes in, so we got 30 seconds. You can wait 30 seconds. 3. Countdown. Final countdown. 3, 2, 1. Bye, chicken. And woo, voila. Well, what? Okay, so I'm here. I'm back. And I am going to be doing the chicken taste on how it's burn my finger. So we're gonna try it right now. See how it tastes. Small piece. This is good. This is nice. This is good. I know I made it too crispy, but this is good. This is good. I thought I made it crispy, but this is good. So, you know how it is. Like, comment, share, do whatever you guys want. And make sure you post this video on Instagram. Tag me, ANYAH_ROCKS rocks _ Tag me and I will make sure I give you a shout out on my Instagram page and whatever. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway in my next 3 videos from now. And can't wait. See ya. Bye.